Hello and welcome to my guitar course. I hope we will have a lot of fun together, and I hope you will fall in love with this beautiful instrument, guitar. In this video, you will learn the names of the body parts of the guitar, so we can speak the same language. The guitar has three main parts, and then there are pieces within that. So let's go over those three parts. We have the head or headstock, we have the neck, and we have the body. So, head, neck, body. On the head we have the tuners or tuning keys. This helps us to tight or loose the strings to change the note. So, tuners, then the strings. And the strings we have are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Between the head and the neck, we have the nut. The nut helps keep the strings in place, so that they don't wiggle all over the place. We have the fingerboard. This is this black part where your fingers go. On the neck we have the frets, the fret wires, and the dots or fret markers or inlays. The dots are usually on the 5th, 7th, 12th fret, on classical guitar on 10th, acoustic and electric on 9th fret. Now going down to the body, there are upper bow and lower bow. Then we have the sound hole, it's like a mouth of the guitar. On acoustic and classic we have a very nice rosette. Then we have the bridge, saddle, and on the acoustic the bridge pins. We have soundboard or top, sides, and the back. Some guitars have a strap pin or end button, output jack, and pickguard. So let's review real quick. We have the head or headstock, neck, and body. We have tuners, strings E, A, D, G, B, E, nut, fingerboard, frets, fret wires, dots, sound hole, rosette, bridge, saddle, sides, and back. And now get ready for the quiz. There are three main body parts of the guitar. Name them. So in this top body part we have this mouth. What is the name? And a difficult one. What are the names of the strings? And what is this called? And it helps keep the strings in place and called? And then this black part in the front, what is that called? And these spaces where we're gonna put our fingers, do you remember? And then what are these lines called? And then there are some, what are those called? And then upper and lower, What is this? And what is this? Okay, I hope your quiz was good, and now let's review. The three main body parts are the head, neck, and body. Here we have the tuners, and the names of the strings are E, A, D, G, B, E. The nut holds the strings in place, and the place where we will put our fingers is the fingerboard. The spaces are called the frets, and the lines are called the fret wires. And there are the dots or the fret markers. Now down to the body of the guitar. This is the sound hole and rosette, the bridge and the saddle. It will be great if you will review this video a few times, so you will learn all the parts for sure. Alright, I will see you in the next video.